All right, let's talk about the present. Seems pretty simple, doesn't it? It's just now. But here's the thing. In English, now isn't one single idea. It actually has four very different faces, four distinct personalities. And today, we're going to meet every single one of them.
I mean, think about it. What are you doing at this very second? You're listening to me, right? You're learning something new. That's one kind of now, the immediate, in the moment now. And that's exactly where things get interesting, isn't it? Because English has four completely separate present tenses to handle all these different flavors of now. And honestly, getting a grip on these is what really takes your English to the next level.
So here's our game plan. We'll look at the simple present for all the facts and routines, then the progressive for action that's happening right now. After that, the present perfect, which connects the past to the present. And finally, the perfect progressive, which is all about duration. Let's get into it.
Okay, first up, we have the absolute workhorse of the present tenses, the simple present. This is your go-to when you're talking about things that are solid, stable, and generally unchanging.
Just think of it as the tense for things that are just facts. It covers habits, universal truths, and stuff that happens on a regular schedule. It's the tense of constancy.
Like this perfect example. It doesn't matter what time it is or what day it is, this is a timeless, universal truth. It was true 1,000 years ago, it's true now, so we say the sun rises. Simple as that.
And check out the key phrase here, every day. This is the simple present's bread and butter, routines. Anytime you see words like always, usually, sometimes, or every week, it's a massive clue that you're in simple present territory.
Now here's a really cool little trick this tense can do. Even though we're talking about tomorrow, which feels like the future, we use the simple present. Why? Because it's on a fixed schedule. It's a fact on a timetable. So, the train leaves.
Okay, let's switch gears. If the simple present is all about stability and facts, our next tense, the present progressive, is its total opposite. This one is all about action, movement, and things that are temporary.
This is the tense for the dynamic ongoing now. You know it by the classic ing ending on the verb. It's all about things that are in motion, in progress.
This is its most common job, right? What is literally happening at this very second? He is reading. The action is unfolding as we speak. You can almost picture it.
But the action doesn't have to be happening this exact millisecond. Saying, I am living in London this year, tells us that it's a current but temporary situation. It's what's going on in my life right now, but it's not permanent.
And here's a really fun and kind of emotional way to use it. When you team up the present progressive with the word always, it usually shows that you're frustrated or annoyed. You're not just stating a fact, you're emphasizing how repetitive and irritating the habit is. He is always complaining. You can just feel the eye roll in that sentence.
All right, let's move on to a tense that can be a little tricky for a lot of people, but I promise it's actually an amazing tool. It's a bridge that connects the past to what's happening right now. Let's meet the present perfect.
So, this is the most important thing to remember. The action itself is finished. It happened in the past. But it has a result, a consequence that is important right now. It's all about the present outcome of a past event. Okay, let's break this one down. The action of losing my keys, that happened sometime in the past. Could have been 5 minutes ago, could have been this morning. But what's the result now? The result is I can't get in my house. The problem is current. That's why we say I have lost my keys.
This tense is also just perfect for talking about life experiences. When did I go to Japan? Who cares? The exact time doesn't matter. What matters is that this experience is part of who I am now. I am a person who has traveled to Japan.
Pay attention to the time phrase here, this week. Is the week over? Nope. Because the time period is still open, we use the present perfect for actions inside it. She has studied a lot. And hey, she might even study more before Friday. And that brings us to our fourth and final face of now. This one is a very close cousin to the tense we just talked about. But it has one specific obsession, one thing it really cares about. How long?
You see, the key word here is duration. This tense isn't so much interested in the result of an action, it's fascinated by the process itself, and most importantly, how long that process has been going on.
Look at how this sentence feels. The main point isn't just that it rained. The whole focus is on that continuous action over a stretch of time. For 3 whole hours, the rain has been coming down, and it's probably still going. It has been raining. You can feel the length of time.
And this comparison just lays it all out perfectly. On the left, she has finished her report. Boom! The action is complete. The result is a finished report on the desk. But on the right, she has been working on her report. Here, we're focused on the process, the activity, the hours she's been putting in. It's all about the result versus the duration. That's the big difference.
So let's lock this all in with a quick summary. The simple present, that's for facts and habits. The present progressive, for actions happening right now. The present perfect, it's all about present results from past actions. And the perfect progressive, it's obsessed with duration. 4 tenses, 4 different jobs.
So, there you have it, the complete toolkit, the 4 faces of now. And here's a little challenge for you to take away. Think about your day so far. Can you describe parts of it using all 4 of these tenses? I bet you can. Give it a shot.